Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to set tabs every 5 space in Affinity Publisher. Let's get started. At first, we have to open an Affinity Publisher document. Then click inside the text box and go to the view menu. Enable the show text ruler. We can see here the ruler. Then we go to the window menu and click the text option. Then enable the paragraph. Then we can see here menu option. Now I am enable the tab stops. Then click before the text. Then click the plus icon. Then we can see here the units. Now I am make the units in 5 inch. Press 5 on our keyboard, then press enter. You can add the tab left, center, right or decimal. Now I am select left. Then click before the text again and press tab on our keyboard. Now we can see we make the tab every 5 inch. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.